I'm Rico. I'm working in AW Fraser for more than 4 years. I'm working here in Fraser as a CNC Machinist and Operator. I'm doing a setup and operation, and that's all. The most I like on AW Fraser is I enhance my skills on many part of the job. Because of doing setup and every different machine is good for me, and I can give more, contribute more on the company if I know everything here in AW Fraser. And it looks as perfect. The thing that I brought me here in New Zealand is because I have a couple of friends here. Then they tell me that working here is good. Hi, Paul. Good. Hi, mate. So there's a lot of challenges, a lot of new experience that being brought to us, the new product. So it's good for us to think. That's why we love to work here.